Our European porcelain manufacturer just went bankrupt, and this is your last chance to own a piece of history. A few months ago, we were shocked to learn that a manufacturer who was on the market since 1860 went bankrupt. This partner was crucial in creating our fine bone china signature Kintsugi porcelain, who helped us to create a contemporary version of Japanese art of Kintsugi. Each piece of collection is a work of art. Each is hand decorated with 24 karat gold and signed with different Japanese katakana. Kintsugi teaches us that broken objects shouldn't be hidden but displayed with pride. It's a powerful reminder that imperfections are making us more beautiful. We love this collaboration, and while we would love to save those hundreds of jobs which are at stake, we are not in the position to buy the company. We are hoping that a new buyer will preserve the legacy and craftsmanship. Finding a new manufacturer who can match the level of quality, attention to detail while being sustainable will take months, if not years. These remaining sets in our inventory are truly the last of their kind. And who knows, maybe in a couple of years' time, they will become collectibles. If you don't want to miss it, get your piece of Kintsugi now.